Hello everyone, welcome back to the HSE Coach. Today we are going to talk about National Road Safety Month, which is observed from 1st January to 31st January. In this video, we will clearly understand what is road safety, why road safety is important, the history of road safety in India, the theme of Road Safety Month 2026, and how to implement this theme at our site. Let's start. Now, first understand what is the road safety. Road safety means using the road in a safe way so that accidents do not happen. Road safety includes following safety rules, following traffic rules, driving within speed limits, wearing helmets and seat belts, respecting pedestrians and other road users. The main aim of road safety is simple: to protect human life. Now let us understand what is Road Safety Month. Road Safety Month is a special awareness period. During these times, extra focus is given to road safety. People are educated about safe driving. Awareness programs and trainings are conducted. The goal is to reduce accidents and save lives. Now let us understand what is National Road Safety Month. National Road Safety Month is observed across India every year in January from 1st January to 31st January. During this month, government departments, traffic police, industries, schools and colleges all work together to promote safe road behavior. Now let us understand what is the purpose of National Road Safety Month. The purpose of National Road Safety Month is to reduce road accidents, to save lives, to create awareness about traffic rules, to promote helmet and seatbelt use, to encourage responsible road behavior. Now let us understand why road safety is so important. Road accidents cause a large number of deaths every year. Most of these accidents happen because of human mistakes like overspeeding, distractions, or not following rules. Road safety reminds us that accidents are preventable if we behave responsibly. Now let us talk about why January month is chosen. January is the beginning of year. It is the best time to develop safe habits. Also, fog and winter condition increase accident rates. Starting the year with road safety awareness helps people remain safe throughout the year. Now let's talk about its history. The first major road safety program in India was National Road Safety Week. It started in 1989. It is observed in January every year. A full week was chosen because one day was not enough to spread awareness. Then later in 2010, the Government of India introduced the National Road Safety Policy. This policy declared road safety as a national priority, defined responsibilities for authorities and road users. In 2011, National Road Safety Day was introduced. It is observed on 11 January every year. It provides one fixed national day to focus on road safety. Even after awareness weeks, accidents continue. So in 2021, the government expanded the program. National Road Safety Month started. It is observed from 1st January to 31st January. The day and week now come within this month. Now let us understand the history of road safety in a very simple timeline. In the year 1989, National Road Safety Week was started. This was the first national level effort to create awareness about road safety. In 2010, the Government of India introduced the National Road Safety Policies. This policy made road safety a national priority and gave directions to all safety programs. In 2011, National Road Safety Day was introduced. It is observed every year on the 11th of January to remind everyone about the importance of safe road behavior. Later in 2021, National Road Safety Month was started. This expanded the awareness from one week to the entire month of January. This timeline clearly shows how road safety efforts in India have grown step by step to save more lives. Now let us talk about how to implement this theme at our site. First, road safety awareness. First, create road safety awareness at your site. Conduct simple road safety toolbox talk. Explain the theme in simple language. Display posters and banners at site entry points. Next, helmet and seat belt enforcement. Strictly enforce helmet and seat belts. Use helmet compulsory for two-wheelers, seat belt compulsory for cars and site vehicles. Daily checking at site entry. Now focus on speed control inside the site. You can do it by fix speed limit, display speed limit boards, provide speed breakers, take action against overspeeding. Now ensure the safe movement at site. You can do it by separate vehicles and pedestrian route, clearly mark walkways, use barricades and reflectors, appoint flagmen where required. Now let us talk about driver safety training. Conduct defensive driving training, educate drivers on fatigue, mobile phone use and alcohol policies. Explain site traffic rules clearly. Now ensure vehicles are safe. Check brakes, lights, horns, tires and mirrors. Ensure reverse alarms and indicators are working. Conduct regular inspections. Finally, we prepare for emergency. Display emergency contact numbers, train workers on accident response, keep first aid and emergency support ready. So now let us talk about activities during January. So during January month, you can conduct road safety toolbox talk, helmet and seat belt checking drives, vehicle safety inspection, road safety plate programs, posters or slogan competitions, safe driver recognitions. So you can do all these activities at your site. Now to conclude, road safety is not only for January. January reminds us to practice road safety every day. Follow rules, drive safely and protect life. Before we end this video, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to the HSE Coach. Your support helps us bring more simple and practical safety knowledge for everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.